How to download WhatsApp in laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download WhatsApp in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically download WhatsApp on laptop, all you have to do is, if your laptop computer comes with Windows 10 or Windows 11, you will find Microsoft Store. So open up Microsoft Store over here. In the search bar, go ahead and then type in WhatsApp. Then you'll find two applications, WhatsApp and WhatsApp Beta. Now WhatsApp Beta is normally used for testing. If you're someone who don't want bugs, stay away from beta. So I would recommend you use the normal WhatsApp version over here. Then make sure to click on the install button over there, and after you just click the install button, you'll be able to download it. Now because in my case I've already downloaded it, you're not finding that option, but if in your case you want to download it, you'll find the install button. Then you can open WhatsApp and start using it. This way you can download WhatsApp on laptop. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.